ng'alina omusajja amugoberera amubeerako emabega. Ne tugenda ku hoteri gye bantwala eyo mu bagagga ne tulya nga naye omusajja tamuvaako. Taata we n'amukubira. Taata we buli ssaawa ng'amukubira all the time.
Finally, Mikey seems to funny. Achadachi halabiseeko nkusaba okulaikinge owulize bulungi ogwe ali mulaavu ogenda kakasa abasajja ebyadala Mikey bamukutenu akukuta n'akawala mu ssimu Omuwarabu atabuse bino kati Ayogede gy'abadde ali bibadde bitambuzibwa bwe yawambibwa yakwatibwa byonna abinyumizza wabula binyuvu weerabiremu kati nisabu.
Taata we buli ssaawa ng'amukubira all the time okitegeera. Halla bambi yalaba naye bimutamye kirabika bamufuga. N'agamba Kyaliwo ajje antwaleko ku hoteri. Kyaliwo n'ajja. Kyaliwo avuga Porsche. Ka Porsche buno obutono nga muggulawo eno mu maaso ye wate gye muteeka ebintu. Kawala ne kafuluma nga kambadde olupale. Kati we twali tugenda nga kaŋŋamba bakuŋŋambako biki buli ssaawa tutuuka eno gye nali nsula ne kaŋŋamba wano nga si walungi kankutwale ewalala. Okitegeera. I use audio.
Yeah.
You are a dog.
Your family dogs.
No. No. What has the family done to you? Please.
Does he bring her in my life?
No. I cannot. Remember, she's very rich. They will take me to police. She's very rich. They take me to police and you will not come for me. What's that? Please, behave. No, I will not say that. No, Halla, please, no. I will not. Yeah, ni gwosibya. Pita mwana muto.
You are harami, Mikey. You are big.
No, please. I cannot say that.
You are a cheater.
No, baby, listen. I can never cheat.
You are playing in two line. You don't want to lose me. You don't want to lose her. You are keeping her for Black Day, you know?
Bought for me, yeah? Let me go and bring the jacket she bought for me and I cut it right now. She bought me this one also. It follows me, you see?
What are you wearing? You're wearing khalas ya baba khalas.
You see? Muno yantadeko embeera. My love, your friend. You're joking. Let me break everything she bought for me. I'm going to break everything.
Nikki, tomorrow inshallah you will be in the gym. I will share to. Can you please open your stupid mobile so I can message you? Yalla, open the mobile now.
Okay, I have. I love you so much, Halla. I came here.
Yalla. Hi, Mikey. How are you? Where are you? Show me the message.
It's on this phone. It's on this phone.
Not going.
It is. Let me change my setting, okay, my love, for you. No, I'm going to buy a phone where I only talk to you.
I don't want future. I need the moment. No future. I don't want my future lost with you. Now, on the spot.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Muganda wange erinnya nali tusiza neteekako nayiga ne kali kayina ebbuba jjukira kayina ebbuba onobwere kali bakubira essimu ne katunula kati kyokka I love you so much.
Mikey, don't get too much.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
Yalla, no sorry. I don't want to hear sorry anymore. Yalla ya habibi yalla.
I'm sorry.
Yalla ya habibi sorry. Yalla sorry hafiklori yalla.
I'm sorry, my love.
Yalla ya baba, I don't want to hear sorry again. I will come to box you down.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm so sorry.
I will come to box you down in the hotel. Yalla.
Yeah, come, please, come.
I will never come. I need you to open the mobile right now. Yalla.
No, you come. Please come to the hotel. Baby girl, come to my hotel. Baby girl, come to my hotel.
I can't trust you. Sorry, I can't trust you. Sorry. You are harami. Hey.
Baby girl, come to my hotel. No,
You are harami. I can't trust you. You are big harami. I can't trust you. Oh, Africa.
My love, you should come and see me.
Show me my message which I dropped you now.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Amanya n'eddoboozi Aji Abudu omusomi w'edduwa. Nkola ku nsonga ez'enjawulo, emirimu nga gikutataganyeko, ebyenfuna byo nga bidobonkanye, ne oba oli bweru wa ggwanga emirimu gyakucankalanako. Jangu kusomere ku dduwa okuva edda n'edda, edduwa zaabaawo, edduwa zisomibwa, omuntu n'oterezebwa mu mbeera yonna ebadde ekwesibyeko ekusibyeko akanyaaga. Nina ekyoto kye nsobola okukumira wadde oli bweru wa ggwanga nga toli kumpi wano n'ofuna omukisa ogwo nawe n'osomerwako ku dduwa nga nkuteddeko n'akabaani. Allah ajja kukusaasira, ajja kukwanukula. Kuba ku nnamba yange y'essimu 075 44 71 56 ne ku WhatsApp kwendi. Mpereza obubaka sobolo okuyamba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I'm going to call you. After this.
Me?
No. I can never.
Message is not going.
Why? Data? Is it data? Oh, I like that sound.
Yalla, Mikey. Yalla, Mikey. Tomorrow, inshallah, very good boxing it will happen. Yalla, Mikey. Show me the message.
I'm going to call you, okay? After here, I'm going to call
I
you.
need to hear my message which I sent it to you right now. Is it ya baba, habibi?
Read. Can I call you? Right now? Let me call.
Habibi, you can use it ya baba. Go to.
Let me call.